Greetings, fellow scientists. We are coming straight to you from our lab in our kitchen. And today we want to share an experiment with you that involves hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so the chemical formula for hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. That's water with one extra oxygen atom attached to it. And with that hydrogen peroxide today, we are going to be making elephant toothpaste. So first things first, let's go over our materials that you're going to need to do the experiment. Okay, you will need 1 squirt of dish soap, 4 drops of food coloring of your choice, any color of your choice, half a cup of hydrogen peroxide, and our catalyst is going to be yeast dissolved in 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, so first things first, it looks like one of our scientists is already on top of it. The very first thing that we do when we are doing science experiments and mixing chemicals is safety. We put our safety glasses on, and our scientist Malachi here that's going to be doing all the mixing is protected by a rubber glove. Okay, so the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a prediction. Let's make a prediction about what is going to happen. Okay, so the first step in our science experiment is to add the food coloring to the hydrogen peroxide. Okay, and then the next step will be to add our hydrogen peroxide to our container. We used an old 2-liter pop bottle, and you'll need a funnel so you can get all of your ingredients in there. Okay, the second step is going to be to add 1 squirt of dish soap. Okay, and now we're going to use the dry yeast, and the last thing we do is add the catalyst, the enzyme catalase. And
it's gonna do it. Get back. It's gonna do it. It's almost ready.
here we go.
New bubbles.
Elephant toothpaste.
Well, this might take a while. Is this dripping right from there? Looks so raw.
Put the glasses back on.
Okay.
Remember safety. Okay, so here is my 24-second explanation. Okay, so what just happened? Inside the yeast is an enzyme called catalase. The enzyme, along with an extra oxygen atom from the hydrogen peroxide, rips an oxygen atom off the hydrogen peroxide molecule, leaving the oxygen, gas, and water. The extra oxygen atom that has just been freed up helps in another reaction, and the whole thing spreads. What's left is a lot of oxygen, gas, and water. The water has already mingled with the soap that has mixed in at the beginning of the experiment and creates foam. Okay, and my 7-word summary to sum it all up. Gas, oxygen, air are released from hydrogen peroxide, and this is what we get.
Water.
And that concludes our science experiment.
It's just gonna keep on going.